All right, so I am now going to change out this site and throw Contoso up here. So I'm going to delete the default connection database. And I'm going to create a new one. And this one is going to be in Contoso. So I've got to open up that one. So I'm going to pause just a sec. All right, so this is the very last one that we worked on as a group. And we've got all the migrations in here. I'm just going to make sure that it runs. Okay, and let me just see. See, and it's a really good thing that I check to make sure it runs. So let me go into the package manager. Let me update the database. All right, now let's check it again. All right, it does appear to be working now. This is why you always check it before you publish your site. All right, so this does look like it's all ready to go. So I'm going to close out of that. And the only thing I'm going to have open is web config because that's the only thing I'm going to have to change. Don't quite know why it's got that. Let's go into web config. All right. So first thing that we're going to grab here is school context because that's our database name. Oops, here we go. All right, so I did add database name. Oops, school context. I don't know why that didn't come in here. Let me just make sure I got that right. Nope, capital C. Oh, come on. All right, that looks good. Make sure there's no space in front. Okay. A database password. I'm going to use that password that I'm using for everything. That way I won't forget it. All right, so there's the database. Got my connection string here. Going to copy. Coming in here, I am now going to paste. And again, I'm going to change the password. So I'm going to pause a sec. And let me run a quick build. All right, so now let's go up here and publish this. And remember, normally in this process, you would create a site, okay, because now we've got the database. We probably would have done a new website, but because this is a free account, we only get one website. Okay, so this is it. That's what we get. Okay, so going back over in here, we are publishing to a folder. Let's go into advanced. And I should still have that string that I copied, the connection string, in the clipboard. So I'm going to paste and grab it. And I'm going to pause while I put in my password. Okay, so I've got that. I'm going to save it. Going to go ahead and create a profile. And I am going to publish. Keep an eye on your output window because once it says that the publish succeeded, you're ready to FTP. And I'm going to have to reconnect this. And let me go into my test site. I'm going to get rid of everything that's there. And now I have to navigate to where I publish to. Then I'm going to select all of these folders and drag them over. So I'm going to pause here, and then once it's done, we'll check out the site. So as you can see, it's transferred. So let's go out and take a look. Going to click on the link. There it is. Okay, and you can see that my data did not come with it, so I would have to actually enter some data to get this working. Okay, but it is live. And everything is as it should be.